is Matt Allen. I'm President and CEO of Dog People Are Cool, and on behalf of the entire Dog People Are Cool community, I want to accept the challenge from the Drake Center in Encinitas to do 22 push-ups to promote awareness of veteran suicides in this country, which are on average 22 a day, which is a horrible tragedy. So let's get to it. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. The 23rd was for taking so long. I've had shoulder issues, and I apologize for waiting so long. But keep the veterans in your thoughts and prayers. And thank you.